Hey, what's up guys? So today we're bringing you another video. Today's video is going to be a boost solenoid replacement on an F10 535i. So this is going to be the N55 engine. Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing the first carbon piece on the F10. This is how it's looking. I will soon get my exhaust in, so I'll have a quad exhaust setup. And today we're finally getting the exhaust in on the F10. Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're actually going to be tuning the F10. Finally tuning the F10.
Pass this first. So there's cops right here too. Sheesh! I like them burbles.
We got some LEDs so that we can put some demon eyes. We're gonna go ahead and turn off the lights. And that's how we look. So today we got a pretty highly requested video. So a lot of people want to see me do a little POV drive with the F10 right here. So basically today I was browsing OfferUp and somebody has a PSM style, which is a high kick spoiler, carbon fiber for the F10. I've been wanting the spoiler for so long already. Look at that guys, this is the spoiler that I've been wanting for my car for so long. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I will be explaining to you guys how to do the giveaway and the requirements. Yeah guys, before we get into that, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. It really means a lot guys. I'm glad that you guys are liking the F10 videos. We're actually at around 514 at the moment. This is the F90 M5 style bumper for the F10. Oh my god guys, stay tuned for this build guys. We're finally painting the bumper today guys. AFE intake for the F10 guys. Here it is. It looks pretty cool. I don't know if you guys know it or not, but it has like carbon fiber right there. As you guys can see right here, this thing looks so good. I just want to put it all in my car already. This is all we got guys. Today I actually picked up the Turbo Smart blow off valve. Maybe you guys can hear a little bit more like this with that window down, because the blow valve was literally like on that side of the engine. So pretty sure you guys can hear it there. And here it is guys. This is the intercooler that we went with. Again, huge shout out to VRSF. Huge shout out to my girl. This wouldn't be here without him. This thing's huge compared to the stock one guys. Finally filming the flames on the F10 guys. It came out super good. It looks really good. I really like how it looks. Yeah, the wrap came out super good guys. I haven't been making videos in a little while. Reason for that being is, one, I didn't have too much content to make. Two, I actually sold the F10 guys. So as you guys can read from the title, I'm picking up my dream car. This is my 2015 BMW M5 competition package guys. I want to bring content to you guys that obviously you guys like, and you guys love the 535i, so it was kind of scary to sell it to get a different car, but I'm happy that you guys liked it after all. Today we'll be installing the catless downpipes on the M5. that's way louder. So as you guys can see, this thing is pretty freaking awesome. All I have to do is just leave it there, let it drip as much as it can, and I have nothing to hold. This is the screen, guys. So it's like the style of the like newer cars. It actually looks really, really nice. You guys can see it right there how it looks. This is kind of how like the F90 has it. I don't know if you guys can see back there, but package acquired, guys. I honestly really like the spoiler. We finally got a tune for the M5. It actually does a needle sweep. Just grab the filter and put it on here. It should sit right into its place. You can see the before and after of the springs. This is the stock one. This is the H&R. I just want to show you guys how the springs look like. Good, G?
What's up?
What's up?
Nice to meet you, Nick.
Nice to meet you, Anthony. You guys can see how low it is right here. Barely any space. But yeah, guys, that's how it looks. It looks super sick. It actually looks really sick. It looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna look.